Hi, this is John with WTI, and this one hits me directly into my childhood. And this is the Rica Nectar juice, mango juice, that is just great. This one goes directly because I remember my grandpa, he used to have like huge tree of mangoes all the time, and he would give us juice and mangoes all the time. And this just feels directly just like it. This has a nice flavor of a thick mango juice that it just has a great mix. It's so versatile. You can drink it for pretty much anything. If you want to do a cocktail, you can do a cocktail of this. You can want to do like a frozen, it's great like that. But just like I like to do, it's just single there's straightly mango juice with a lot of ice and whatever I'm trying to go with this, and it just tastes great. It feels like the nice texture of the mango is not it's not overly sweet, and at the same time, it just gives you this sensation that you're drinking like a nice quality juice. This was John with Ali TI, and that was my point of view.